Members of ENCORD are the leading European construction companies. All the large French companies like Vinci, Bouygues, the German like Hochtief, the Scandinavian like Skanska, NCC, YIT, Uponor, Consolis. We like to combine construction companies or huge materials suppliers that are working in more than one or two countries. So they must have a kind of European view on their work. What we need is we need members that really are involved in development and innovation. So that's what combines all our members.
Now you have made a charter concerning sustainability. What are the main statements?
Well, the main statements are about climate change. The main statements are about taking our responsibility for the climate and the built environment in general, but also taking responsibility for the local community, taking responsibility for our own employees. One of the technology developments is the development of new asphalt with a much lower CO2 emission. Another thing is just be smart with what you are already doing. Like if you are creating tubes for metros or other underground facilities, utility networks, you can use these tubes for collecting geothermal warmth and geothermal energy. So that's an aspect. Other aspects are from the viewpoint of social responsibility, use virtual construction, use building information modeling, so use the new IT tools and the new IT toys to stimulate and support your communication with the neighborhood about what you are doing. The charter is a nice thing, but nothing changes just with the charter. End of 2011 we are using this period to develop an action plan about stakeholder involvement, about value development for stakeholders, about creating a greater workplace for our employees and subcontractors, and about developing an implementation and innovation, better technologies to meet the climate change challenges.